Hi, I'm Dana, and this is Highly Delicious. I think one of everybody's favorite thing about Valentine's is the desserts. Chocolate. What better Valentine's gift is there? Unless, of course, you like strawberries and so forth. And I like a little bit of all of that. So for our Valentine's dessert, I am suggesting a brownie, which I always have made up. Some raspberries for a little bit of color, and that makes you feel like you're doing a little bit of healthy choice in there also. And pecans. Nothing is better with chocolate than pecans in my view. And just for a little kick, I'm going to add in some cacao that my sweet gift mother brought to me on one of her trips overseas. So, very quickly, because our time is running short by this time from when Dee's coming home, I took a little baggie. I put some hot fudge in the bottom of it and just cut a little circle. Heated it up just a little bit, and let's just see if I can make a nice little design. You know what I love about this is that you cannot mess it up. You just can't. It is art. So let's just decorate with a few little raspberries. Sprinkle some pecans around the plate. Whipped cream is always a good thing to have on Valentine's Day. And voila, you have got the perfect Valentine's brownie. And you probably already had this made up in your freezer. This was hurry, fast, quick, easy, and now I can go get ready for Dean. I truly believe marijuana and wellness do go hand in hand.